Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is all about Make.com's dashboard. If you're new to automation or just getting started with Make.com, this video will walk you through the Make.com dashboard step by step. By the end of this video, you will exactly know where everything is, what it does, and how to start building your own automation like a pro. So first, if you want to access the make.com, you just have to simply search for make.com on your browser and just simply log in with your account. And after that, you will be onto this home page. This is the first login make.com page that you will go, and this is also your dashboard. If you log in with your organization account, then you will see your organization name on top of the page. But if you don't get through your organization account, then you would not see the name, but it will show you journal like my team and other title, depends on which page you're on. So here we have different options like dashboard, scenario, templates, connections, apps, teams and user and billing settings. All of these options are available on through this page. Some of them are on the left side and some of them you will find in the settings section. First up, we have this scenario tab. This is where the magic happens. A scenario is basically your automation workflow. It's chain of actions triggered by an event like receive a new email or getting a form submission. So you can start your workflow through the template. There are so many different templates available, or you can just simply do it from scratch. If you would like to do it from scratch, then you have to click on this option, which is create a new scenario. It is on the top right. It will open the visual builder where you can drag and drop different modules. Like we have Google Sheets, Gmail, Discord, Notion, and many more. This area is very visual and lets you test each step before activating it. You can also schedule the scenario, run it once manually, view logs of previous run. This is the most used part of Make. Here all the work happen, like you connect different platforms, you integrate different platforms, and whatever work you would like to get it through Make, you will do it there. Then we also have the templates. There are so many templates available. This is super helpful if you're new or want quick automation without starting from scratch. Make provides thousands of pre-built templates like save Gmail attachment to Google Drive or auto post Instagram photos to Pinterest. You can search by app or use case, click on any template and it will open up pre-filled scenarios. All you have to do is connect your accounts. Other than the templates section, we also have the connections and app where you can connect different sort of apps. So in the connection tab, you will manage all your linked services. For example, if you're connected your Gmail, Notion, or maybe your Slack account, this is where you'll see them. You can test or reauthorize connections if needed. The app section shows you all the apps make.com support, which is over 1500. You can search for apps and see what triggers or actions are available for each one. If you're wondering can Make integrate with this tool, this is where you check. So basically, whatever you would like to do it through a template, or maybe you just want to start it from scratch, you have to get it to its workflow and just simply start through any app of your choice. If you want it through Google Drive, you can get the Google Drive. If you want any other app like this one, RSS, you can just simply do it and click on this plus icon to connect another app or platform with it. It's up to you. Whatever the requirement of your work is, you just simply do it as per it, and then you just simply set commands and different objectives and sections, and according to it your work will be done. You can integrate as much apps as you would like to, or maybe based off your need, but make sure if you add more apps, this may increase your subscription plan, so you have to just simply care for it. Otherwise everything is just fine. If we talk about its key feature, the search bar at the top lets you quickly find scenarios, templates, or apps. The run history is available inside each scenario where you can debug and track success or failure of every automation. You can duplicate, export, or share scenarios, which is helpful for teams or agencies. So whether you're building simple tasks or complex multi-step workflow, once you're familiar with the dashboard, everything becomes easier and faster. So this was all about the make.com's dashboard. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.